Breaking news. Hallo julle gaan nie glo wat het gebeur nie. Daar het iets crazy in Centurion gebeur. Ek kon nou net van die toneel af in Centurion. Something crazy has happened and hulle wil ons nie sê wat het is nie. So, guys, I got a tip off of an accident in Centurion waar 'n voertuig of 'n vehicle went off a bridge there near End Street, okay? But here's the twist, okay? It is not an accident scene. It is currently an active crime scene. So, I tried to go in by End Street. Daar was ek gemeet met geel barriers and a paramedic who said I am not allowed to go in. And then I tried to drive around to see of ek aan die ander kant kan ingaan. Okay, and daar was CPF en toe sien ek fire brigade truck. Was so in the distance. Long story short, let's say no photos, no pedestrians, no media, no nothing. Dink julle nie dis 'n bietjie suspicious nie?